little bit of 553 or 552, I think. Had a little bit on there.
Howdy ho, good morning.
Howdy ho. Lockability tonight. Though the weather outside is frightful. Well, I think Tilray is my #1 watch, man.
At the end of the day, I ended up covering VIPs yesterday at 27.91.
So you got a very small win out of that?
Got my 34 cents. 34 cents for an all-day hold. I was busy doing other stuff, so it worked out.
Yeah, it did. I mean, you don't want to be in something insane if you're not really watching it, so.
Yeah, it was definitely a slow mover. There we go. Now we're green on CHRA. That'll work.
You wouldn't want to be in the CHRA and not watching it and have it spike up to $7 for no apparent reason.
No, I mean, I've got alerts on my phone, so if something like that happens, I usually set the alert for when it does crazy stuff. There we go. Nice. And I got the add-on too, so that helps. Now we're up even a little bit more. Thank you for the spike up. Now we can go down to 5. If it's all the same to the rest of you.
I care not. She has angered me with her inability to do what I wanted.
She and I had a mild disagreement there. We seem to have worked our stuff out, and now we'll just wait and see if we're on the same page.
Just like a marriage, man.
Yeah. She promised she would do better, and now we're gonna see if she's gonna keep her word.
Reality is, Steve smacked her around a little bit. He's an abusive husband. I hope we're not streaming.
Oh, you are.
And if we are streaming, gosh, Thomas, don't talk like that.
Oh, you're definitely streaming.
Are we streaming?
Oh, you're definitely streaming.
I'm streaming. Are you streaming?
I am.
Thomas, we're streaming. Watch your mouth.
Oh, Snikes.
Yes.
Morning, everybody.
With a greeny green. Not insanely green, but green.
What, in CHRA?
CHRA, and I took a little scalp on Tilray.
You still in CHRA?
Oh, there we go.
I think Steve is.
Steve is in Tilray.
No, I'm in.
He means CHRA.
Churra.
Churra?
Churra. I abandoned Churra. And I'm not going to do it anymore because I don't know what she's going to do with the bell, so let's say goodbye to Churra.
Don't worry, I'll tell you what's going on.
I like Tilray at the bell though, man. I'm not going to lie. I think she might see $25 today. I don't know when, I don't know how, but she may get up there.
Let's go.
Churra. BB moving again today. It's got a nice gap.
You gotta get the CH sound from deep in your throat.
Churra.
Gotta roll the tongue.
I was just showing Steve that I just can't get excited for BB ever. Every time it moves, I'm just like, this is freaking Blackberry. Blackberry apparently sold a bunch of technology to somebody.
with China.
No, it wasn't. It was something like real company. It wasn't that BB. Nope. Jeez, Louise. I guess I have to go look at it here. Yeah, ooh, finance. Yeah. Mm. Where's that news that I saw earlier?
CHRA or on BlackBerry.
Bibi. That's better now, I can't find it. Something about healthcare and Black Friday.
It's Hawaii.
Let's
That
go.
was it. That was the news.
Under
Yeah.
five, come on.
They sold some technology to Hawaii.
Yeah.
There it is, under 5.
Ah, you little piece of poop.
Don't worry.
You're gonna send me my share of that?
What's that?
You're gonna send me my share?
I'll send you your share, yeah. Just send me your PayPal account and your social security number.
Perfect, perfect. Would you like the bank account number too?
Is there anything in it?
Might be.
Word.
Want some passcodes?
I'll take your girlfriend's father's bank account.
Oh, me too, man. Take that in a heartbeat.
Not even the bank account, just give me that extra trading account that he doesn't use.
This is that one with like 150,000 sitting in it for no reason.
You know, I mean, I could probably do something with that.
That cracked me up. We're sitting in a condo in San Diego, and he's like, "Yeah, I got this trading account." He goes, "Look at it. See if I can trade out this thing." And I look at it. I see the balance of 150K, and he's like, "I don't do anything with it." I'm like, "Oh."
No, sir, I'm sorry. You must have 250,000 before you can trade a stock.
So you just had 150,000 laying around. Like, I'll throw it in this and see if I want to do something.
Yeah.
That must be nice to be stupid rich.
Hurrah with a bounce. Hurrah with a bounce.
Lowry's dropping.
Who is?
Lowry.
Tilray?
TLRY.
Tilray.
Tilray?
We don't have to shorten that, man. I mean, it's Tilray. Tilray. It's Tilray. It's good that it dropped here, I guess. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Man, churro is annoying.
Wow. Hurrah.
In this thing up at like 570s with a big share size and just wouldn't break down. I mean, look at that consolidation. I was like, I cannot freaking. I mean, it's consolidated for what? 749 for an hour.
Yep.
I'm not gonna stay in that thing all morning. Gee.
Yeah. And you show him.
Do what I want you to do, or I'm done. I'm the boss here. Who is ready to make some money today?
I am.
I am ready to. I have a feeling today is going to be one of those crazy, weird, good days.
That's a good way to end the week.
Yeah, I just got a feeling there's going to be a lot of stuff moving around.
Let's go back into the single digits. That 499 was nice before. To do that again. I'd be okay with that.
Oh.
Friday, going into a 3-day week.
Yep.
So who's gonna log on Monday and be like, where the hell is everyone?
Not me.
Big guy.
So you ready for your big game today, Tim? This weekend, Tim?
I was just checking the line on it, actually.
What is it now?
Still the same. Which is, hold on. I was actually checking the money line. Let me see what the spread is. I think it was 3. I'm assuming it probably still is.
Yeah, it's still 3. Yep.
Weekend, I will be celebrating the honor of Dr. Martin Luther King.
What are you gonna do?
I am gonna have a peaceful protest
Okay.
in memory.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna have a peaceful protest in memory of Dr. Martin Luther King on Monday. I don't know what I'm gonna be protesting yet, but I'll come up with something good. I'm gonna protest peanut allergies. Screw that stuff, man. Kids gotta quit being allergic.
Yeah. Hey, don't talk bad about my daughter.
Hey, you know you're not excited about it. You can't even have peanut butter anymore.
I know.
When she was a baby, you should have just rubbed peanuts all over her so she wouldn't have a problem.
Yeah, if you would have rubbed peanuts on her, she'd be all good. It's your fault.
Forget Corona. We need a vaccine for a peanut allergy.
DBVT, man, DBVT. They're running today. It's kind of funny you mentioned that. They are the peanut allergy company.
Who is?
DBVT. That's the reason this stock's up. On a medicine for peanut allergies. No joke. I have it up right now. I'm looking at the chart.
I did.
That is peanut
Morning,
allergy.
Constantine.
No, it's not. Is it really?
Swear to God. I am not making this up.
Yeah, you can't make up crap like that. That's way too random.
Yeah, I'll show you the news. DBVT. Yeah.
Some of the best liars.
To this room.
As we're talking about peanut allergies.
I was gonna say some of the best liars are
There
the
you
ones
go,
that come
man.
up with the most random stuff.
Thomas, where do you really work?
Update for peanut allergies. Ages in children from 4 to 11.
That's crazy. Your whole business is based on peanut allergies. And you're
Do you
up.
guys remember being kids? Anybody ever having a peanut allergy?
No.
I mean, I didn't know anybody.
No, everybody brought peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to school.
Or wheat? Was anybody gluten intolerant when we were children?
No.
Like, what happened to people?
Kids are weak, son.
What?
The kids nowadays are weak. No, I'm just kidding. Honestly, people probably had these allergies. We just didn't really give a shit, and they would probably die, and we just didn't know about it.
We were like, I don't know. He was a weak one.
But I can.
Back then, we just sorted out the weak ones. Now we let them live.
Well, there's so much chemical in our food, so who knows what that did.
Yeah, true
Yeah,
that.
I mean, I think there are definitely more allergies today than there were back then.
Yeah.
I can't imagine that there was just, because I didn't know anybody who ever had a reaction. I didn't know anybody who ever had a problem. Now, like, my daughter had a gluten reaction. She still eats gluten because we're not gonna.
I thought about going long on AVGR down at 125. I just looked again. This thing's at 2.
On what?
AVGR. I think?
AVGR. Yeah, I saw that it was on SSR and there was a limited amount of shares available. I was like, I bet you they're gonna prop this thing and run it. Sure enough, it's already at $2.
Well, you should have longed it.
I actually thought about it. I was like, this isn't really my play, but I was like, I got a good feeling this is gonna go.
I never have feelings on stocks under $2. It's just hard for me to even look
Well, in about 10 seconds, let me know your feeling on AVGR.
at. Alright. It's not gonna get over 2, so.
It's almost there.
It's not gonna get over. Fail.
There is a lot of shares sitting there. 165,000.
Back to $1.70. Obey me.
I mean, that's what I'm trying to say. That people can't short it, and even if they could, it'd be on the ask.
Yeah.
What's your language we're streaming?
What? Oh.
You said on
the-
You also said the SH word, which I was deeply offended.
I did? What? I don't even know what you're talking about.
You said nowadays people don't give up. Beep. It just
There you
slipped
go,
out of
Farah.
your mouth.
Well, I'm glad I offended you.
I'm deeply offended, man.
Well, I mean, there's the door.
Where? Where is it?
It's
Almost
right
in Brother
behind
Gang.
you. If you want me to show you the door, I will.
Don't do it. You better be back on again.
Right now, dude.
Hold on.
I know we had fun
Oh,
last
man, I was on a phone call. What did I miss?
Oh, me and Devin are duking.
What did I miss?
We're tossing lefts and rights.
You want to fight?
What happened? What happened? What happened?
Devin got his feelings hurt.
in the playground.
Lance just lost it.
Lance just died.
It's a good start to the morning.
And welcome to Volatility Trading, everybody.
This is being streamed live, right?
Oh yeah, we're live. Jag can watch that one back if he wants later. Oh, you got 2 minutes. You're good.
My clock's off, man. It says 6:30 on my clock.
You got a minute 45.
Go, Ray.
Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Thomas. Good luck, everybody.
Dude, I don't
Remember,
know.
we're off
I
on
did
Monday.
not look at Tilray once yesterday, and it had a massive move. How did I never look at that? None of us did.
Sometimes I don't even eat like over my keyboard yet.
Lance, do you even remember
Stuff
Tilray
ends
yesterday?
up on it somehow. Makes no sense to me.
No. I mean, it never. I mean, it popped up once, but was low on my charts, and then kind of just faded away and never did it again. So
But
I don't know what
look
to
at
do.
Tilray. It went from $18 to what? 19? Wait.
So to show you guys something cool
Here's
real
the
quick
X-ray.
before
It
the
went
bell.
from 15 to 19.
I found this out while
Yeah,
talking to Jason last night.
No,
I upgraded to the beta
It's fair,
version,
everyone
which
say
don't ask
anything
me how to get it
earlier
because I
with the
don't think I
action.
can get it for you.
it doesn't
But if you
matter.
right-click a hot button now,
Don't know how
instead
that
of
was
having
missed.
to
Like, I'm
move
like,
everything
a huge
around
move
by
like
adding
that,
rows and
never
then deleting
felt
rows and
that
stuff,
once.
you can literally just add a row above, below, add a button to the left, add a button to the right.
Pitching in there?
Such a huge thing. I've been asking them to do that forever. Not saying I'm the reason
Snip it off with
that
an
they
out
did it,
for
but
everybody.
yeah. It's nice that it's finally there.
No problem. Thank you, you too. Take care. Good to see you.
Hey, and by the way, did you know that I'm in Kra?
Ah,
Like goes on a spiel. Hey, so thanks for your dry cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. But did you know that I'm in Kra?
I didn't put music on either, guys. What am I doing today?
holy crap, we're open.
And there's the bell. Good luck, everybody.
Look at that.
Let's go.
Look
Good luck.
at that go. Look at Hurrah.
Is Steve still talking to himself?
Ready.
Steve, shut up.
Do a Hurrah.
Oh my god, Steve.
I expected so much more out of the gate.
Wow.
From the right.
Now I curse it. Now I curse it, Hurrah.
I just noticed that Sun W is up at 13. What the heck? I traded that yesterday, didn't I? I just realized that. That's the one that was at like $1, wasn't it? Yeah.
It's something. Tilray's not doing nothing.
Tilray's falling.
Down.
Oh yeah, my chart looks really weird though, for that one.
Along the ray. I'm out the ray. Should've
Why?
held the ray.
You should have held the
Got 40 something cents or 50 cents out of it, but thought that VWAP was gonna be a little something more
like
than it was.
Flemmy.
Oh, it's coming back down now.
Sun W, that thing is nuts.
Yeah, my chart was weird. It didn't show the candle. It just had the price down low.
Oh really? I'm like,
Yeah.
you said not doing nothing. I'm like, dude, it's dropping like crazy.
Oh, it hasn't done anything.
You see, I did not see, but I made money.
I wish I saw what you saw, because I would have made some.
Would have been in it with me.
Yes.
No, that was just based on level for me. Kind of came right down into the 200 on the 1 minute, so I was like, let's probably do something.
Yeah, I tried to get filled. I thought I was on the bid there, but I wasn't.
It's not doing anything crazy.
Ah, that would have been an instant winner there.
Well, it's behind. For
I
that
was
big
just gonna
move, I
risk
guess.
over 13.
What big move?
Oh, it was a couple cents.
From
It was
480 to 520.
Bingo's running again.
Yes, it is. You have shorts on that?
Shorted that.
I do.
We don't.
Fungus.
Jerry dropping.
I know I should have shorted it up at the top, but I was a wuss. They call me Wussy. Was my nickname in high school.
Wussy.
God, I missed Bingo so hard. Oh,
Did it
whoa.
drop?
It did, and now it's trying to fling back up there.
Bingo to the moon.
That would have been a hard one to get out of. You would have had to have an order out. Like went through 8 and was like instantly back up.
Alright, let's kind of pull ourselves together, boys. Let's pull ourselves together, boys. Jimmy to the moon!
A lot of higher floats moving today.
Not taking Bingo up here.
Well, BB just dropped, or is dropping.
Better be. Better be. Oh man, whip it, whip it.
This garage all over the place.
B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, Bingo was his name. Oh.
I just can't short Bingo here. It's too close to yesterday's highs. Like, it's just going to try to use it as support. And it just doesn't make sense to short it here. I mean, if it could fail that, but I don't really see it failing when it's this strong right now. A lot of, like, higher float stocks moving this morning.
What's Tilray doing?
Dropping.
Dropping nuggets hot, dropping nuggets hot.
I had to miss it. There it is.
Come on, do lows, baby.
There went Bingo. Trying to get back to the highs there. This thing is whippy.
LPTH. LPTH. Hola.
Let's go.
Yay.
Let's go.
LPTH.
That's kind of cool.
Have a day.
The new beta for DOS is pretty cool. It's got some cool features.
Maybe
When
a
something
little
pauses, oh, you're in long bingo. 850 is a big area.
LPTH. LPTH.
Hey,
LPTH.
63.
bingo. Come on, bingo. Let's go. Let's go. Give me that big freaking push. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. And I'm out of it. Sorry, gonna go here now. Sucker. No, it's gonna come down. Let's come down. That was a small win, but on decent.
Looking for the fake out breakout here on Envis.
I screwed up Talray.
Still right down.
Going up now.
Not really faking out here. Just trying to go back up.
BNGO, here you go. You suck. Why did you have to be so difficult?
Wouldn't mind giving this room to 720.
Oh my god.
Hasn't really been a pullback because then it could pull back to 7 from there.
What's the ray of till?
Let's see what it does.
Yeah.
Big bid
I
propped
sold
in
half.
at 7 there.
I wanted to sell half. I sold the whole thing at 250. It's at 21.34 right now, and just went straight up. Missed out on that. Oh well.
What's the float on LPTH? 23.
LPTH.
Yeah, that's halted.
Ooh.
Give us that 90 break. I'll get that pushed in here.
Breakthrough.
This isn't really doing what I wanted it to do. I was really looking for this to fake out and actually just give us the flush.
The ray of till has not
I was
made
looking
up
for
her
this
No.
this area here. That's why I put my order there.
mind. Watching that 21 to 60 level.
Give it one more shot. Bingo, man. Where's this thing going? $9, I guess.
Solo.
There it is. Finally. All the way down to 450 now.
Put a stop here on Envis just in case it wants to like fly up there for some reason.
Bingo.
Still going strong.
It's just about to get short bingo.
There was a farmer.
Missed it. Wanted it at the 80s, but never literally got to 80. I was looking to get 25 cents back down to 50, but it's already there now. That was the pullback we wanted.
I'm along the ray of till.
Are you?
Watching LPTH out of the halt whenever it gets there. Got to just get out of this thing. This thing's annoying. Bingo, I'm gonna be cautious with it. Thing looks like it wants to just fly through 9.
I'm not the ray of till. I'm waiting for that 2160 level now. I made a little on that. I'll put this in a second. Probably should have held that, but I just felt like it could. Ah,
These are always too
You
quick for
should've.
me.
Just look like she
LS.
was fighting.
What is this doing? It's just like doesn't know what it wants to do. I feel like back through 7 though. I don't want anything to do with it.
BN.
Probably a good thing you didn't get in. At that
Good thing
point.
I didn't hold it.
BNGO.
Well, no, I mean, if you got in at 2160.
BNGO.
Oh no, it's got to hold above it.
Yeah.
There's no way I'd buy it just crossing through ever. I would like to see it actually pop above it and come back down to it. It's actually 2168, 2166. I'd like to see her get through that level.
Come on, go up one.
And then hold
Wanted
it.
this at 7-Eleven. Alright, we go through here and that sucks. Jesus. Gotta love slippage. Jeez, man. What is up with the slippage lately? You're messing with the wrong stupid crap.
Oh crap.
Oh, AVGR dropped back down.
LPTH. LPTH. OBSV. DBAX.
Artillery.
ESMG.
Long and strong. Let's go.
NKLA. Doesn't look like it wants to.
Long artillery.
REKR.
14 level.
GSMG. GSMG.
Plus two back.
GSMG. 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 Back.
Nah, I gotta take it off there, dude. There's goal.
Which one?
Artillery again.
Oh, you got in? I look.
You P&L trader.
Nah, it's Friday, baby. It's Friday.
REKR.
Here's my artillery trades thus far. Now let's get the pullback. Pullback.
REKR. OBSV.
Alright, I'll trade your own record.
CLX. REKR. Send.
Jeez, I didn't realize the spread was that bad.
N.
I suck.
Send.
My own fault there.
DBAX. REKR. 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 REKR.
David, you're the man. You are the man.
TLRY.
Thank you for the CHR, man.
Cents.
I'm here for you.
Sweet. Got my 450 levels, and now what? I think we'll drop to the 450? Go down to 4? We said all day fader, but this thing is...
I just chickened out on toe ray. I don't know why.
Oh, you got in again?
Yeah, I just felt like the volume died out there. I made like 20 bucks off of it.
Guys,
Just
what?
didn't like
Wait,
that
why didn't it
volume
fill me?
come rushing through there. Yeah, it's gonna
It didn't
come in
fill
now.
me.
I don't know what's wrong with me on that one. That was stupid.
And there, what the? What was that?
There it goes.
Did you see that? Was it just a delayed fill?
I gotta pee real fast.
What's going on today? Oh my.
And that's why I chickened out on it, dude. I felt that volume. Isn't that crazy? I freaking felt that. That volume should have come in where I got out, and it didn't. So it was another little win, so adding to a winning day either way, I bet.
I don't know, guys. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing today. Something just ain't working. Glad I pulled that. I don't know what I was even thinking there.
The volume just got weak stuff there.
Yep.
So, break below 450.
Hola. Hola.
But I was like, man, the breakthrough should be right here. Where's the volume? I mean, if you look at that, there was like lower volume on that candle. I was like, uh-oh.
Might get filled here on Envis.
TLRY.
We're on the bid there for a second.
Traded the crap out of this toe rat.
There we go.
Take the quick one there.
She needs to chill out a little bit. Bingo short might be here, Bash.
Oh, that's a bounce.
Looks like it's breaking out. What are you talking about?
Oh, it broke through. I thought it looked like it was double topping on my POS chart. No, no, not a good short. 932 is the next fib one. That was a weird trade on the last one, dude. I felt a negative vibe. It doesn't happen too often, but I was like, uh-oh, I don't feel good. Dang, bingo, where are you going?
I don't know.
Can't trade that. What is Pola doing?
Going bananas.
We got shorts on that?
Quick one there on bingo.
No, because I've been in at 12.50.
Just reading the price action there. That's all I'm doing.
Oh my god, that's
I was hoping Pola kept on going there, to be honest. Oh wow. Should have held that one.
The all-time high in Pola.
Felt like it was gonna want to try 950 again before dropping below 9, but
Look at that shit up in the blue skies.
there it goes. I'm trying to just.
That
Sometimes
Twitter's
it doesn't,
running.
when they're this strong, they don't really try those whole dollars right away. At least not lately.
You and your Twitter.
I haven't traded Plitter in a while.
That's how I got focused on the chart, and then I met you. Like, if you take a random trade on a stock, I'm like, is it blank?
I got it.
Speaking of blink and drop its ass.
I know. I wish we had shorts on. It's gonna drop.
I thought you'd be looking at Cougars
I
too.
blink for fun. I didn't realize it was dying.
Oh, me either. Oh no, I don't trust that at all. That's too deliberate of a drop. It may come back, but I don't trust that. It's not right yet.
AOPN.
No emotion, Devin. No emotion.
Bingo. Bingo.
What is
Did you go
bingo?
long on bingo?
Bingo.
What?
I think Tim took a long.
No, I didn't.
No, those are both shorts.
Okay.
I'm like, Tim who?
Tim.
It's not the Tim. It's not the Tim I know.
Why would you say such a bad thing about Tim? Don't do that. That's not nice.
Who's this Tim guy you're speaking of?
Almost went short there.
Torre breaking through that level. That's not a good sign.
No. That's holding VWAP.
Come on, hurrah!
I was watching
Go.
that 2156 level though.
PWC.
Would have been a good one.
Woo, boys.
Bingo broke
Trading,
9.
man.
At least for somebody.
PSI.
Hey Thomas, Carl, was it your trade?
Who?
PWC.
CHRA. That's not your type of trade. It was up 130%.
He doesn't trade pre-market.
Yeah, no.
That would have happened when the bell was after the bell rang, maybe.
I mean, where did this thing go to? Just go all the way back to 350?
Good.
God, that's a bummer, man. I was in that.
I know, and you left me.
And you
Pola. Pola.
And it
PHUN.
looks like everyone else is leaving too.
What is this Pola gonna do, guys?
I don't know. Keeps going up.
Bingo.
What is Vincow?
So Devin, between you and Tim, I need some advice here. I'm looking at my profit and loss on CHRA, and I'm like, why don't you take this? But if I look at the stock, it's got a lot of room to the downside.
What's your name, Steve?
Hold the trade.
I know. But what am I gonna do? I'm gonna hold it from green to red?
Put
You
it at
could
break
take
even and
some
let it go.
profit.
Yeah, you could
You
take
could take them off and
percent.
let them ride.
Move it off, you dipstick.
Should I take half?
Take half. Leave the other half.
Take half?
Take half. Take some profit. Pay yourself. Jeez. Why you gotta make this hard?
Like,
But there's so many zeros. Like I just don't know what's right.
there's so many zeros.
It's like half of 125,000 shares is.
Bingo. Bingo may not be done. know what you're saying, but Devin, $10 its all-time high. And I'm saying, but guys,
Like even on the pullback candles, they're green.
Bingo's dead.
You think Bingo's dead?
Cujo got him.
Cujo.
No, we're talking about a different Bingo.
I should have taken blank off the bottom.
CLXT.
Watching the CEI.
God, I got a feeling about Pola too. I got weird feelings today, guys.
We don't
What are you gonna do about those feelings that you have?
I don't know, man. I think I'm going through some changes. I think I need to see the counselor.
We're gonna see the counselor.
Jeez, there goes Pola.
El Rey's dropping like a rock.
This thing is nuts.
Looking juicy.
I took Pola off. I am up huge.
Is that what they called you in high school?
Yes,
Juicy.
They called me up. They called me juicy. Or did you mean up huge?
It's Friday, Tim. You gotta let it slide.
I'm laughing. I'm not.
High school, they called me juicy huge.
Because his head looked like a starburst.
That was like a scalp from freaking hell right there, dude. I didn't take 800, but I took 7.
Oh, well, that's close. I was about to ask. Did you go 8?
I went 7. It was too, my ads were too close, so I was like, just gonna go with another 3. I'm glad I got it out.
There we go. That's what I. Man, that was beautiful.
Oh,
Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared of this thing.
Bounce, dude. She might win some more.
yeah, dude, this thing blasts through there, man. It's 1687.
Yeah, it's very grindy.
Right, because it didn't even make it down to the 61 fib on that pullback there.
It's like for the dollar range that it keeps having per candle, it's actually pretty grindy as far as the chart goes.
Agreed.
Oh yeah, the float's about to rotate there as well.
What's the float on this thing?
6.
Long
Right,
good.
Oh, don't like that.
I mean, it didn't have a single red candle on my chart until that last one, so I mean, I guess it kind of has to have one every once in a while.
Freaking Torre, man. Bingo looks like she's working her way back up, too.
Polo's like, where's that 9 at? Let me go touch it real quick.
You're thinking, man. Why do I hear us echoing?
Because somebody's listening to Steve's stream.
Steve has a stream?
Steve's
Oh.
stream? What are you talking about?
Tim's stream.
Get back to the stream.
I've been drinking this one. It's Mimosa Friday.
Hey, you taking a piss?
Yes! Dude, today's awesome. Over goal, and what
Today
are we
is
in?
today's
Third
freaking awesome.
game.
I'm in one trade only, and this is like ridiculous. 3 times goal.
Nice. I'm not 3 times goal, but I'm 1.5 times goal, and that makes me happy.
I'm red. That's fun.
You're not that
This
good.
thing's going below 4.
Did I mood kill there? I was trying.
Yeah, dude. Geez. That was a freaking bummer.
I mean, I'm not like that red. I was for a little bit there. I don't know. Everything just kind of kept on going.
Can't believe you
Man,
guys made me
everybody's
take that.
feeling good.
I miss jumping into Pola there.
Pull a. Whew. I got the blood
Pull a
pumping
hand.
on the last one, dude. That was a little intense.
You guys really made me take half on this.
You paid yourself. What's wrong with that? You're in this to make money, man.
I know. I would have been making more money.
Okay. You paid yourself. Chill out.
I don't know how to
And
do
if
that.
it would have went back against you, you'd be bitching
like,
that
"Oh,
you
thank
let
God
it
it
go
did that."
against you.
Well, then you just hold it till Tuesday.
You mean the 3rd Tuesday in March?
Yes.
Long and strong.
Yeah, this
pull.
one is actually costing me money. This cost me $32 for every 500 shares.
You should have said that before you asked what to do. You should have held the whole thing.
So that's what I was saying. Devin knew it cost me money. That's all right. I got on the half that I took, I got $1. So I'm good.
Are you back in Pola now?
I took it off already. I made some on it.
Oh, God, Derek, come on. Make D look,
Son of a gun.
make Triple D look silly.
I just didn't like that double top look it had.
Float's rotating, bro. This thing's going to like 20.
Rotated float.
And shares are about to run out.
She's ripping.
This might go for a while. Halt's right there, 1486. Jeez.
Blue. SEAC.
I was about to say, it got so quiet on that side. I said, Devin must have took a walk after that one.
No, I'm back in it.
You're back in Pola?
Pola.
He's flirting. He's flirting with danger now.
Yeah.
Moving up to his name.
Took that off. I gave a little back. That was a smaller trade too, but
Should have held my bingo shares. Holy crap.
Yeah. Nothing like that.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Told you. Cujo, whoever got him.
Did Bingo die?
Yeah, Bingo dead.
Oh, Bingo dead.
Lance was looking at it for a Scoobity Scoop.
Do such a thing.
This
Oh,
might, be
get some of
head,
that food max.
this might be head and shoulders, knees and toes on Pola too.
Oh, there it is. Let's go.
Nope, not head shoulders.
PSI. Pola.
Spy making lows right now.
Lost about $80 on that whole drop, man.
That drops fast.
Huh?
Drops
mean-
fast.
You
It
kind
dropped
of
fast,
bought
dude. I didn't-
you bought the top of an intense move. I mean,
I didn't actually buy the top. I could have gotten out for like $40, but I thought it was gonna fly.
it did fly. It went from 13 to 1450.
I thought it was gonna continue flying.
It will.
Yeah, I just thought it was gonna continue flying right there.
You want to qualify that even a little bit more?
Well, Vesh seems to not be understanding what I'm saying. I thought it was gonna go right there, Vesh.
Well, Devin's trying to disregard the law of physics when it comes to stocks, I guess. But I mean, these low floats, that rotated float, I mean, you're not completely wrong.
That's what I'm saying. Is there logic in this chart? No. There's no logic. Trading this isn't a logical trade. It's
They're just trapping all the shorts is what they're doing.
That's what it looks like right here.
Maybe I should have held the whole thing here. Oh well.
More.
Actually curious what this looked like on probably Algo Heaven.
She's on hole 13. She's gone.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, VWAP's right below it, 1280s. I'd say if you had 1280,
Oh, see ya. See ya.
don't count her out yet, man. We still got 1280s, 1270s.
She might bounce off the 1250s. And then she'll be sloppy seconds.
Cobra can't get going.
No, I thought it was going to there, but
I did too. Watching that one like that, huh? What is this APWC?
Where's the SPY going?
only half mil volume and 3 million float.
Oh, look at that, dude. SPY's dropping like it's hot.
What? No trading permission for this
He's like,
product.
oh wait, you mean our economy's gonna get screwed? Darn it.
But it says I have like
I
infinite
just pulled a little good at
shares.
the bottom there. 13.
I have said since we started pumping money into this market that there will be a day of reckoning, and I'm not saying that day is today, but the day is coming.
Guess we're not trading that.
Oh, look at Pop.
The Tallery.
Oh, look at Tilray. I don't even know what Tilray is looking like. It isn't looking like a long. I'm just looking a little bit like a Lance long right here.
Yeah. Just don't feel good about it. Not yet, anyway.
And Cola suck in enough shorts to say, screw you! Yep.
Issues with the historical data here.
Oh, not yet.
That's crazy.
I'm kind of seeing a head and shoulders there, dude.
Market makers got the coloring book out.
Cola might get whacked here. Oh, Tilray, man. Oh, ouch. I had to take two right here, guys.
GSMG.
I'm on tail right.
GSMG.
I'm on tail right. All out there. You get that one, Lance?
No, I didn't pull the trigger.
That was right down into previous support, man. I had to take that one. That one I went in okay size too. Holy moly. And I top ticked it on top of that.
Even better.
Basically. Missed it by like 6 cents or something. Ooh. Hey. GSMG.
Everything's starting to slow down.
Stupid little stop going crazy. Oh man, this thing I'd be short if I could. Bash, you got shorts on this GSMG?
GSMG.
They're very low. It's only got 5K.
Yeah, volume's a little low, but that thing's gonna die.
No,
Yeah, I
shares
don't have
the
any
ball.
shares either. Yeah. Pola's rising from the dead.
Buffalo Soldier. Pola's definitely getting that support line forming at like 64, 65.
Mugs. Pens. Pens.
Whew. What is the shuffling going on right now?
I think
Steve.
it's Steve.
It's you shaking in your boots.
I'm not in anything, so I'm not shaking yet. Give me a second. Steve, mute it! Oh my god, I'm muting you. I've muted Steve.
Me as well. Sound like a mouse in a bag of Oreos.
Yeah, dude.
Did you get some Tilray there, Jag?
A little bit, not what I wanted.
So we go down deeper?
Yeah.
My god.
Yeah, I got a 10-cent move. And then it dropped back down, so I got scared. Got out. It was stupid.
This Tilray isn't going to have the continuation I thought she might have today.
10,
SENS? That's cheapo.
10, raise,
There's just nobody selling Pola. This thing's gonna rip.
Yeah. Kind of keeping an eye on that one.
There's nobody selling it.
There will be no more 800 share sizes of that one, just to let everybody know.
No.
1,000.
No, I don't have those cojones.
But I thought you were so juicy.
This goes down to the 200-300 level at this point. What did Wolf do today? Nothing.
raise,
Vesh might be right on Pola. She's getting ready for something. She was a buffalo soldier. Oof. All right.
Just taking a small chance here. See if we can get into something fun. If it wants to fail here, then whatever. They might even fake it, trap some more shorts, to be honest, but we'll see.
Slow
See if they give you the higher lows. Get the buyers back in. It just doesn't feel like anyone's really selling this thing. The volume is starting to slow though. That's not good. That's what we didn't want.
This is the moment of truth on Pola.
Just gonna let it sit. Basically looking for this to go back towards high of day and run. That's the whole reason we got in this. Once it stop us out, then so what? Might be one of them ones that does it later in the day. Figured I'd take a little chance. Not looking good.
What are you watching, Lazy Pants?
Teleray.
Are you just watching for little bounces?
No, I'm hoping for a big bounce. I just keep getting out too early. I just posted the last one. It was stupid.
Let's see if Steve's trying to talk to us now. Steve, you there?
I'm trying. Hold on.
He's not making noise anymore.
Why is it when I try to leave the room, it doesn't let me, and then you guys kick me out?
I didn't kick you out. I muted you.
Oh, okay.
I made a new channel for you because that was getting a little annoying to listen to.
I apologize. I thought I tried to exit the room.
Oh, you exited the room, just not on your own accord.
Oh, okay.
You don't like the channel I made?
Thank you for not.
That was.
I didn't see a channel.
What is up with the slippage?
What is it? Timeout channel?
Why did I not get stopped? Or is it gonna film me? Oh, it did film me. Okay, I'm so used to seeing the red arrows.
Pola is dead. Best we were wrong on Pola.
Yeah, just a
I
little
was
bit.
wrong on CHRA.
I was right on my stop loss. Should have reversed my position. Jesus.
You in this long?
I was. It's days like today that make me feel like the 90% so much. I'm sure you can see it in my face.
Why?
Because everything you touch is wrong.
No. I've had a different day than you today. But it happens, dude. I've had those days too. I think that's just part of the game, you know? She is coming back on Tuesday and not letting it affect you.
I want to
Spy
let
still
it affect me
grinding
on
down.
Monday.
On Monday, we don't have any trading, so.
You can't lose.
What did you trade today? Here's your trades. Bingo, you got a win. And this is a win? Or is that one loss, one win?
Yeah, that was basically break even. The loss was a little bigger than the win because of the slippage.
And then RKR, what's the loss? And then Pola.
Pola got me with slippage on the first one, and
And then
then
you longed it.
no, that was actually another short.
The last one's not long?
The very last one's long. Yeah, I went short, then short again, and then I went long there.
No, and you're just like, man, I freaking couldn't find the short and I couldn't find the long.
Yeah, pretty much. It's like I'm tired of fighting, and then I'm like, all right, I'll just go with it, and then I'm wrong.
Tim, Tim, is there any support for CHRI anytime soon?
Here-ish, huh?
Crah. I'd say like the 350 area.
That would be, I mean, 30. Ridiculous. I mean, Deb and I were looking at this thing just to hit $5 pre-market.
That might be the all-day fader, man.
I know. That's when I jumped in right when you said that. I looked at it and I was like, you know what? Devin, when he makes these calls, he's usually right. And I said, let me try it. I got a little add-on. And, I mean, we're only in for an hour. This thing is down.
For,
ridiculous.
It'll be $100 a month if you want my stock calls coming forward.
Oh.
First 15 are free.
Alright, I got 14 left.
That's ready.
Now, if we would have called GME long from 2 days ago, that might be worth $100 a month.
Speaking of GME, it's not doing anything.
How's it doing?
GME is down at 36.
I don't even have shorts on it. I tried looking at short this morning when it was at 41, but E-Trade said, you know what? We've already passed out shorts to everybody and their brother, so we're not gonna give you any shorts. 370s. Oh my god. All right, now I left 50 cents on the table with those shares.
SPY is dumping. Well, it was.
No, random short.
Is it?
OBSV.
SV.
I don't even have shares on that one.
ACRX.
Taking it back down to 350. I covered it there for 50 bucks. Small win, but I'll take it. Oh god.
What?
I'm looking at your tail race red.
I'm gonna shoot myself in the face.
Don't do that.
Especially this last one.
I wish I would have been watching this like $4. That would have been a nice one. I was watching from Fremont. I wish I was watching this at 420s. Jeez. Ah, that's where I had my line drawn too. I'm an idiot.
Which one?
OBSV. I had drawn a line at 420 in the daily, I think. Yeah, it's that key area. That would have been a great short up there at 420. Could have created an alert or something, but I didn't. Can't get them all. Oh guys, what's Pola doing?
Going up.
CRX.
We gonna make some money.
GameStop's moving.
I gotta pee. I'm a little afraid of Pola.
I was gonna take it there at 219, but it wouldn't give it to me. Come on.
Some money. We gonna make some money. We gonna make some money. 'Cause that's what we do. Bingo, man. Bingo's like, no, I'm not done yet either.
Yeah.
CRNT just said, I don't know what happened here.
Yeah, I know.
What happened there? What is that?
Halted. It's I don't know. The chart's really weird.
There's not a candle here. Like, what happened
No.
there?
I don't know because it was halted. Trading resumed at 5:49. Then next thing you know, it's halted at 6:04. Like 67. I don't know. Like 30 seconds later, I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know what's going on. It's really weird.
And what? It's up like 100%.
So on the
Mark,
new, on the new DOS, here, let me just screenshot it. It's in beta right now. It took some finagling to even get it from them, but look at where it says it's halted. It literally says it's paused. It gives you the time and everything. It's pretty cool.
Let me see.
Dude, because of you? What did you do? Longing?
No, the volatility trading, it's actually kind of funny, but that's just what they put in there. I noticed that earlier because I was like, wait a minute, is it like put your name in there? And I was like, I think that's just what they put in there.
You made it pause.
Yeah, I paused that
This
shit.
is paused because of volatility trading.
I just thought it was cool because it tells you the exact time, so you don't have to worry about like what time it's gonna resume again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I get
It's in beta right now.
What's up,
Another
everybody?
cool thing. Hold on, let me show you.
Hopefully
I
that
don't know if I
average
can.
price line is in there.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
The what?
I asked them for the release notes of it, but apparently they don't do release notes for betas, so it's more of just kind of finding things as I see them.
We're gonna make some money. We're gonna make some money.
Alright, Blues Clues.
You definitely know I had a teenager or a child in the early 2000s.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Blue's Clues is back.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's a different guy. It's not the same.
Never left.
Sucks when they
Never
got
left. It
rid of
just went from
the
one guy
original
to
dude.
another to another.
Yeah. Well, no, I think it was gone for like a year or two, and then came back again. But they
Remember-
changed guys 3 times.
What was the guy's name?
I don't know.
Steve.
Yeah, it was Steve.
Yeah.
Steve.
The original Steve was awesome, the first one. And then like, he
Yeah.
became
Yep.
a rock star and a crackhead or something. And then the new Steve sucked.
Oh, how did I miss NI? NI was a really good one. I didn't even see that. It's slow though.
NI?
Yeah, I think I like went straight up there for a second. So I just posted the other screenshot of what I was talking about. How if you right click one of your hot buttons now, you can actually add one to the left, to the right. You can add a row above or below. Like it's not like you have to rearrange your entire montage of hot buttons.
That was a smart move.
Yeah, that I don't want to take credit, but I take credit for that one because I hounded them about that for a long time. I was like, there's no way it can be that hard to figure this out, and I guess they finally figured it out.
I love when I make money.
I guess CRNT is a 10-minute halt.
It's been a good week. Got the tooth out and I've made money every day cents.
That's good.
I think that was an unlucky tooth.
You were making money while you still had the tooth.
I know. I'm joking.
Were you though?
Kinda. I don't see anything I like right now, guys.
Oh,
Well, if I wouldn't have took that random stupid
Dude, you
YOLO
were reading my
polo.
mind. I was just fixing to say it. If somebody didn't take some random ass trade, they'd be green right now.
Here, Vash.
I literally took that trade out of complete frustration. That's the first long trade I've taken in months. I was just looking at it and I'm like, this thing is probably going to be that one that just rips later in the day. Let me just get in now. And I was like, but then after I got in, I was like, well, they still have to trap all the shorts. I was like, they haven't done that yet. And I was like, ah, damn it. But then it just failed anyway. I was wrong on all fronts.
Well, they might be trapping the shorts actually down here because it isn't dying.
Yeah, I mean, it is still up a lot.
And it's holding up. It's not dying. Like, you would think this thing would just be back down here at $9, you know?
Yeah, I shorted this thing down at 11.20. So if I shorted it, I can only imagine.
This literally could still be trapping shorts, honestly.
Yeah.
I'd be waiting for the pop above VWAP, so once it gets above 13 and holds, that would be an interesting place to long.
I'm just annoyed at the frickin' slippage today. So much slippage. It was ridiculous. Like on that Polo sell, I had it at 12.49. I got filled at 12.34. That's 15 cents right there. I was only trying. It took me out at 34. I had my stop at 49.
What?
That's what. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's ridiculous on both sides today. All of my cover, like if you look at my charts, look at where high of day is on most of them, and then look at where my fill was. Like even on that Polo chart, like my first short, I had my stop at high of day. It was 11.42. I got filled at 11.66.
What?
Yep.
Like 24-cent slippage?
Yep.
What the hell, dude?
Yeah, I've been dealing with the slippage all day. Like I'm actually wondering if it's like the beta with the orders or something. Like something might be different because it was.
I feel like I never get that kind of slippage the way I exit trades. Like when I mean, sometimes I get slippage because I didn't click the button on time.
Well, yeah. A lot of times I will sit there and I'm like, okay, this is what I'm looking for, and then I'll hit the button myself. But I'll have the order in there, like just in case, like if I'm not paying attention for a second. Yeah. That's really what it's there for. But yeah, if it comes to, like if it's about to go through and I'm sitting there watching it, I'll hit it myself.
Yeah, and I always get out pretty much where I hit the button, you know? I mean, very rarely. Yeah. And if I do get slippage, it's because it dropped while I was hitting the button, you know? It's not because I just got slippage.
No, yeah, my slippage has been real today. But they've all been orders. And like if you go back and watch me live, which I know you're not going to, but I'm just saying, I was sitting there watching the order go through and I'm like, is it gonna fill me? And then it just like kept, and of course it wasn't like a fake out type situation on any of them. It was just like, we're gonna keep going. Oh yeah, we forgot to fill this guy. Go ahead and give him his shares here.
Oh, that dude.
CRNT is gonna be one of these guys. Yeah, I'm not messing with that.
Sometimes I wonder if it's because you use smaller share size too.
I don't know, because like just on ACRX I actually had 200 shares. I didn't have any issues there.
Or 200 though, man. But when you have like under 200, when you're in those weird numbers.
Yeah, a lot of people do say that under 100 is usually
like 65 shares and weird stuff like that. I feel like you don't get filled as quick as the guy with an even 100 or an even 200.
Right. Yeah, you're probably right.
Because they got to piece you out, you know. They got to, like, if you don't have 100 shares, like a block, they got to piece you out to somebody. So you might get 20 to this guy, 30 to that guy, and okay, you're
Yeah,
out.
what do I look like? A piece of meat? Piecing me out though. Jeez.
I'll piece you out.
Juicy.
That's so much easier.
Freaking A,
Okay, you got your 10 seconds. You're lucky. My kids get a whole minute
What do I get 10 seconds for?
for piecing me out.
I meant that lovingly.
Oh, okay. Here, let me take the timeout back. Or here, I'll do you one better. I even went longer. I did 11 seconds.
Did you time out your... BNGO, guys. BNGO.
That was his name-o.
I guess even with all the slippage and the stupid trade, I mean, I guess I can't be too upset overall. It was like the trades I did take that worked, it was good, and it's like even though I got slippage or dealt with the slippage, I still kept the losers pretty small, so I guess there's a plus in there somewhere.
Yeah. That's the key, dude. As my first trading mentor said, there's only 4 options in trading. Big win, small win, big loss, small loss. And only one of them is unacceptable.
Wasn't that Ross?
No big. Huh? No, that's Barry.
I was being funny.
I think Barry was my first real, like, where I kind of, I really aligned with his way of thinking, you know? He's conservative.
Yeah, you were in love with him.
I like Barry. Yeah, I still like Barry. I just can't listen to him anymore. Because he takes trades and I'm just like, really, bro?
Is he? I wonder if he's still trading the AI thing. I remember using that for like a month and I'm like, what am I looking at? Like, even then, when I didn't really still know what I was doing, like, even then I could tell that this was just stupid.
Yeah, trading with the AI.
Well, it just made no sense, some of the stuff it was fine. It was like, yo, this thing's traded like 20,000 shares and it's 12 o'clock.
It's triggering you in.
Yeah, it's like, seriously? It's like, who's really going to trade this thing?
Barry. Yeah, I think the moment that I really lost interest in Barry was when I followed him into some weird short that had no volume, and then it ran against me like 60 cents. And I was like, this is why I can't trade with Barry.
You've been doing just fine without him.
Yes. I learned from him. I got some knowledge.
Bingo dropping.
I mean, I'd have to say Ross was my first trading mentor in the YouTube world because he's the first one I really started watching.
He's the first one everyone starts watching.
Yeah.
Literally, you type in trading, not even day trading at this point, and he pops up.
Really?
I don't know. I'm just assuming.
I'm gonna try it. Trading.
Darn.
The amount of money he puts in the advertisements, I wouldn't be surprised.
Alright, Invested PD is number 1. The Balance. Robinhood. WeBull.
Well, there you go.
Not even in the...
All you typed in was trading, and you're getting day trading stuff, though. That's probably something that wasn't there a year ago.
I still haven't gotten Ross.
Try day trading.
I bet you day trading, he's pretty quick.
He probably pops up before you even hit enter.
Day trading, Invested PD is still number 1. And then warriortrading.com.
Dun 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 dun.
He is number 2 if you type in day trading. Why do you think there's so many people that want to say that you can't profit in day trading? Like, why is that such a big thing?
Just because everyone's tried and failed, so they just keep saying it. And it's just like the game of telephone.
You really can be consistently profitable day trading. I mean, 100%.
Yeah, but how long have you been doing it?
It's been a while, yeah. And I wasn't consistent until probably the last year and a half or so.
Yeah, the people that are saying it are the ones that try it for like a month
They've been
and
in
lose
a year,
money.
6 months, 8 months.
You're giving them too much credit. There's a lot of people. I was literally just at my son's swim class on Tuesday, and there was a guy, I don't know who he was on the phone with. I don't know if it was his broker that he was talking about, but he was talking about how he put like his savings into Tesla or something, and it was at the top. I'm talking like before, and he was just like, yeah, I forget when it was, but it was like right before Tesla had that like decent pullback. Here, let me pull it up. But apparently when it started, yeah, it was when it dropped all the way back down to 800. Because that was on Tuesday, right? Yeah, the 8th.
I think so.
It was like on the 8th or something. He was like, yeah, I bought it up there thinking it was going to go to 1,000 again, and then it dropped down to 800, and I just had to sell it because I didn't want it, to go down to 700. And it's just like listening to him talk. He clearly had no idea what he was talking about. But at the same time, this dude was putting his savings like on the line, while he has a family and a kid. And it's like, those are the people that will then turn around that were only in the market for less than a month and say that it's rigged.
Day trading doesn't work.
Right, yeah.
And they weren't even day trading. They were just freaking gambling.
Well, yeah, but that's what a lot of people do. And that's why they say it's gambling. But what they don't realize is that that's what they were doing in the first place. It doesn't mean the market itself is gambling. It just means that they were gambling. But they don't know. They don't understand that.
You were gambling if you have no plan. You were gambling.
Oh, yeah, his plan was it was going to go to 1,000.
Yeah, but there was no plan if it went against him. There was no idea of a pullback. He didn't have any clue.
That's what I'm getting at. Is a lot of people that put their money in the market and lose it, they didn't even know what they were doing in the first place. They were just buying and selling. Because they also hear that too. It's like, oh, well, trading's easy. You just buy and sell. Buy low, sell high.
Buy low, sell high. But then what do? They buy high.
Yep. Well, it's because they don't know any different. They just see something going up and they're like, oh, and they hear grandmom saying it's going to 1,000 again, and so he's like, okay, let me get some of that. Why wouldn't I? It's at 870 if it's going to 1,000. Oh wait, why is it back at 800 now? And then you sell at 800 thinking it's going to break and go to 750, and then it holds 800 and goes back up to where it was.
Pola.
Hey, fuck you, Pola. That's what I was looking for, just back here, jerk face.
You get in polo?
No. I need a pullback.
Hold on. Yeah.
Pola can F off. CRNT actually stayed open this time. Looks like it tried to halt, but didn't.
One CNTX.
CRNT.
Oh, it's current.
Raise. Raise.
Bingo trying to trap the shorts too, apparently. That's actually probably more you. Right
Bingo.
here. Yeah, right here at this, it's right at a key level. This 890 area. There's really not that many shares there, to be honest. They're all at 9. So it'll probably, might be a little bit of a fake break here through 90. Or it's just a giant hidden seller. But it doesn't look like it. There goes Pola trying as well. 2 at the same time, Devin. Oh, there went bingo. Right up to that 9. Let's see what it does here. It's where all the shares are. Actually, didn't even get there. It only got the 98.
Maybe these are ringing my bell.
Ooh,
Yet.
right through. Jeez, that was a lot of shares. I mean, this thing has traded 123 million though, so it's almost float
Bingo.
rotated. 153 mil float. It's almost rotated. It's crazy. But the bulk of those shares were up here, so it's kind of a back and forth game here. I wouldn't really say the float rotating is that dangerous. Polo, on the other hand, people are screwed in that thing.
I'll be right back.
Where did our boy Steven go?
Probably shuffling things around. I have so much stuff to do.
Oh, man. I'm not really seeing one of these yet.
Yeah. I am going to be back for the live stream tonight, by the way, so I will be
Not
here.
good at these.
Not sure if it's going to be at 9 or 9:30. Been kind of playing that by ear, seeing how the night goes. because with moving the computer and everything, it's a little bit harder to
No, you know.
get back. I like to give myself that
Like once pull-up gets above
half hour.
1450,
It's all about
yeah,
when the kids go
shorts are
down to bed.
screwed. They're gonna start bailing. I know it's going higher, you know.
Yeah, if this goes through 1350, it's probably going high of day.
Right
Hey,
here,
Constantine, you didn't answer me in Discord. I asked you, was that are you green or is that like break even-ish?
It goes.
TK 3510.
Yeah, Poli, you get the big FU from me. This is what I was hoping it did back here, but like we had said, it didn't quite trap the shorts yet.
Maybe a fake out even here. See, that's where my caution sometimes helps, but sometimes hurts. I want to stay above there, you know. Like I don't want to just popped above it. Okay, I'm in. Now I'm down
Something like
40 cents.
yeah, I mean something like this though. It's really hard because how many times are you going to get that perfect scenario where it pops above and then holds it and it gives you an opportunity to get in? Very rarely.
Doesn't just rip against me. Rip up.
That's what I'm saying. It's either going to do what it's doing now or it's going to go right the high of day. It's very rarely going to just sit there and be like, Devin.
Buy me.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go now. Bingo, doing the same exact thing. Popped above 9, failing. Still red chopping around. Man, I might just take my money and say thank you, market.
Yeah, I basically got back to almost break even on the day, so I guess I can't complain. A lot of bad trades. Not bad trades, but I had the one bad trade on Pola and then just dealing with the slippage. I guess I am gonna start paying more attention to that. See if it really, because I mean that was horrible today.
Just putting in the price will help you. And not putting the price to hit the button.
Well, I'll put the price in just in case. Like if I'm trading multiple things, I don't want to not have it in there. I'd rather pay some slippage instead of getting stuck. Because even after I got out on Polo that first time at 1166, it ripped all the way to 1271. So I'd rather pay 20 cent slippage instead of, you know, getting forced to be in something that rips over $1.50 against you. Yeah, hold the trade. I don't think I'd be doing too good right now if I just held that trade. Even if I added there, I would have had to added real heavy up top just to get my average up to where that drop was back to 1150. Not real heavy, but a decent amount.
What's that one I shorted earlier?
Green, not Q though. I'm not sure why, but your stream is always quiet for me. I might just be talking quiet today. I don't know. I'm looking at the meter. I do appear to be a little bit low. I'm not getting up towards the high end. I wonder, did I turn this down? See if that makes a difference a little bit. No, it's actually my gain's all the way up. It might just be because I have the mic pretty far away. Yeah, see if I move it up, it just sounds a little bit better. This mic is very sensitive as far as the further away you get from the mic, the less you hear. It tries to pick up only what's right in front of it. Although I'm sure you can probably hear my heater, but I'm in a basement and it's like 20 degrees outside, so kind of need it. But I do think I am going to get out of here for now. If you guys want, feel free to... Actually, you know what? I'm going to go do a couple things. I'll leave the scanners up for you for a little bit. I'm going to probably come cut them off a little, probably like 10 minutes or so. But I will be back for the live stream tonight. It'll either be 9 or 9:30, and I will see you guys then. If not, have a great weekend. Remember, no trading on Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we'll be back at it on Tuesday. So unless something pops up here before I get off, looks like we're going to end the day red, but just a frustrating day. If we wouldn't have took that silly trade on Polo long, that was just a YOLO play. It's just a frustration play. If we would have just waited for that trade on ACRX, we would have ended up being green on the day. So something to kind of remind us going into the weekend that we really need to keep our focus. Can't let our guards down, even when things are a little bit frustrating throughout the day, because that's how you can get burned. I mean, even though we had a stop loss in place, the fact that you're taking the trade in the first place, that's the problem. It's not the fact that you still abided by your risk management and whatnot. So, all right, guys, I'll see you tonight, or have a good weekend. Peace.
Nano BSV.
IoT.
That's maybe wrong thinking, but
CCIBU. 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 CCIB. CCIBU.
I like that.
CCIBU. CCIBU. CCIB. CCIBU. CCIB. CCIBU. CCIB. CCIBU. CCIB plus LGU. CCIB plus. CCIB. CCIB plus. CCIB plus.
What the hell's going on in CCIB?
CCIB plus.
$20 stock that's halted.
CCIB.
It's halted.
CCIB.
Yeah, up from like 18, shot up to 20, 79-ish.
CCIB. CCIB.
I'm trying this OBSV. We'll see what it does here.
REKR. CCIB plus. CCIB plus. CCIB plus.
Let's see, big rejection right here.
NPX. INPX.
I held it. Well, glad I got ahead of that.
Bravo Sandy Victor.
CCIB plus. CCIB plus.
Oh, Nash just slams back down. You little biatch.
CCIB plus. CCIB plus.
Oh, that was the fake out, dude.
Churchill Capital, but getting a pop here to the high halted on a circuit breaker at $20.68 CCIB.
CCIB plus. 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 OBSB.
01 NKLA.
CCIBU. 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 PPSI.
I'm kind of glad I didn't have shares on CCIV.
It's still going?
It halted, and when it came out the halt, it shot straight down. But I would have been sitting here with high blood pressure for a little bit, sitting through that halt, because my first ad was at like 1970, where I hit the chart for the line. So that put me. I would have waited to the halt with max share size.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Now it did drop as soon as it opened, but I'm sitting here with 1,000 shares.
Oh my god, dude, that would have been intense.
Oh, dude, I was kind of sick to my stomach, and I wasn't even in the trade.
Just thinking about it.
Yeah, because that's where I would have been. Oh man, that would have been intense.
For sure, bro. Oh, I just took some out of my OBSV short. There we go.
I'll be back.
Come on, drop. Ay, ay, ay.
PPSI.
Alright, all out of this.
X.
Oh shit.
Bumble prosper up to $100 million IPO on the NASDAQ under the symbol BMBL. Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley among the underwriters.
Pola.
Their statement says expect oil prices to reach $60 in 2021. November Delta. Bernard judge been on court denies that promotion for retrial, confirms $503 million jury verdict. That's VHC and AAPL. $5.70 to high now on VHC, and shares are halted on a circuit breaker. $5.70 VHC, Victor Hotel Charlie.
Okay. Is anybody in here?
I am now.
I just had my ugliest short of the day that I got out decently green for, but I think that's a sign I should be dead. For a little bit at least, I need a break. Holy cow, dude.
Holy crap, another one ran up, halted. VHC.
Hold on, I'll post this pull in a second. Crap, she's gonna run now too and then really piss me off. I got in way too early. I added in big at the bottom, just trying to get out break even, and then I got out with green, but it was a freaking shit trade.
VHC. VHC.
I'll post it.
VHC. VHC.
Not my best trade. That's good. VHC.
Yeah, Victor. HC.
No volume. All of a sudden got volume.
Ooh, yeah, 3 ads on that one.
Yeah, dude, I got in really big on that too. I mean, full size, 800 shares. Ah, and there she goes, man. She's gonna break through that 1460 and make me mad. Oh no, you don't. You
Run! Pour
Oh
that
my
salt on that wound. Run!
God. There's a big win.
Oh, she's just shitting all over you.
I mean, look what she did though after I got out. She would have gone right back against me. I mean, that was just hard, man. Oh. That hurts, man. Oh my god. Dude, my average was 14 bucks with 800 shares. That's over 800 bucks right there.
Yeah, this one's gonna hurt.
Says delay in delivery of Pfizer coronavirus vaccines will not change Q2 goals.
Oh god, dude. Can you say ouch? I was just happy I got out green.
Alright guys, you actually got a little bit extra out of me that time, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off here. I'm gonna get going doing my errands and stuff. See you guys tonight, or have a good weekend. I'll see you Tuesday.